Welcome to Research Creations, and thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I will be covering the periodic table of elements, breaking down the order, groups, and blocks, and explaining the components of each cell in the periodic table. Now, let's get into the video. The periodic table is an arrayed visualization of the 118 chemical elements organized by atomic number. It visualizes fundamental information about an element in each cell, such as the symbol and name, and the atomic number and atomic mass. I will further explain what those terms mean in a following section. It separates elements through groups and blocks, visualizing different element classifications. Since the elements in the periodic table are arranged by atomic number, the periodic table can help scientists predict properties of undiscovered elements based on already discovered ones. The elements of a periodic table, like a book, are arranged from left to right and top to bottom in order of increasing atomic number. Each row of the periodic table is known as a period. Elements of similar properties are organized in a column or a group. A trend is present with the atomic mass as well. Going down each group, the atomic mass increases. A group is a vertical column in the periodic table. There are a total of 18 groups present. Each group contains elements of similar properties. Let's take group 1 for example, the alkali metals. Group 1 elements are all soft, highly reactive, and have low densities. Or group 17. This group of elements are all salt-producing. These are examples of the relationship between group and property. Now moving on to blocks. Blocks are a broad way to organize elements of similar properties in the periodic table. There are a total of 4 blocks in the periodic table: S, P, D, and F blocks. S block consists of reactive metals. P block comprises mostly of nonmetals. D block contains transition metals, and F block is made up of rare earth metals. A way to differentiate elements is through its element symbol. An element symbol is an abbreviation of the element name, and it is a universal indication of a particular element. It is usually 1 or 2 letters from the English or Latin word for the element. The element name is none other than its name, the scientific name for the particular element. The atomic number is what the periodic table is organized by. It is also the number of protons in one atom of the element. This means an element of a higher atomic number contains more proton in its atom. Atomic mass is the average mass of an atom. More specifically, the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Let's take an oxygen atom for example. Oxygen's atomic mass is 16 and contains 8 protons. Minus off 8 from 16 and you'll get 8 neutrons. All of those numbers correlate with one another and can be calculated based on one another.